Huh, looks like I'm the first one here. I gotta sit at my desk.
Ayo, Sabrina!
Hi, Myler. Rafe, is the rest of class here? Yes, we are. I hope our teacher's not bad. Don't worry, I heard that our teacher is the number bird. Ring! Hello, class. I'm the number bird. Today we'll be asking some questions. We'll also go on some road trips to get my final touches. Wow, that's cool. I agree. Me too.
My Fredo!
Okay. No one knows this, so let's go on a field trip. Here's where our field trip is. Ooh, a play. I want to play. Hello, everyone. I'm Malina. Hi, Malina. Hi, Malina. Hi, Malina. Hi, Malina. Hello, my friend Number Bird. Hello, Malina. You're here, see? Okay. I vanish through the jungle. I use my sword. Hi-cha! Hi-cha! Ooh, wow. That's cool.
Disco party!
Until one day, I found someone there that I kicked, and there it was, the treasure. Now, how about y'all, and that's the end of the play, y'all grab some music too. Yeah, sick, sweet, oh.
Alright, dude, I'll be dancing.
This is cool.
I will be here all alone, dancing.
Okay, ready, go. Dance, 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 dance. Dun 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 dance, 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 dance. And wow, the play harp is fun. Dance, dun dun dun, dun 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 dun. Excellent. No, I kind of like playing harp now. I can't believe it! I found my final touch. 0 plus 1 equals 1. I am 1. This is the heart. Whoa! Number Bird, you found your final touch. Good God. Now who wants to dance some more? Me. Let's go. Dance, 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 dance. One.